This is Shriya. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter which is called as active and passive components. As we must have heard these two terms, active and passive components. But what are the active and passive components? Which components are called as active and passive components? What are the uses of it in the electronic circuit? Whether they are being used, or what is the purpose of using particular components in an electric circuit. At present, if you see, we have lots of electronic devices around us, like TVs, fans, ACs, laptops. These all electronic devices have electric circuits and integrated circuits inside them. Electric circuit can be defined as closed loop or path of electrical components through which current flows. An electric circuit consists of various electrical components. All electronic circuits are made up of resistors, capacitors, inductors, Zener diodes, transistors, integrated circuits, etc. So these electrical components are the basic building blocks of an electronic device. So this electrical component can be an active component or passive component depending upon the power delivery and absorbing nature. An active component is a component that delivers power to an electric circuit or components that provide energy to an electric circuit. Whereas passive components are the components that are responsible for absorbing power or energy depending upon what type of components it is. So active and passive components are responsible for the power or energy conservation in circuit. Apart from this, direction of the current decide the nature of component, current flows outward from the component, whatever it is. If you see what exactly an active component does, it can do amplification, it can do rectification, it can do switching, or can say that influence what circuit actively. As active components requires an external source to control or modify electrical signals. Active components are able to control and amplify flow of current in electric circuit. Whereas passive components are those components which don't require any external source. This component, they don't depend on any external power source for their operation. They are not able to control the flow of current, rather it influences the current in circuit.